Eh? Emma. So we are going to the next home to make patri. Don't forget to join my birthday cooking tour in an hour. Okay. You know the Mello? I don't know. Susan, normally we use chicken for egg. And we eat it too. You know, if there's males, excess males, we will eat. Here is another amai. I hope you know the meaning of amai. White rice flour mixed with boiled water. My brother married, yes. Yes, Rajan, it's spicy. It's white rice flour mixed with boiled water and salt, a little bit of salt. Then you have to make it like this balls. Then press it. You will get the shape. Patri. Then patri will be cooked like this. There's no oil. My brother married, yes. My brother has a daughter. No, Falma getting married, sister of Ami. He got married maybe 3 or 4 years ago. 4 years ago. This is patri. Delicious. I like patri than putu. Both are made by rice flour. But patri made white rice. Puttu made white or brown. Today we made with brown rice. This is Calicut curry. What Calicut English curry? This is Calicut curry. I don't know the name in English. Yes. This, you see, this was, I think my grandfather made it. I'm just kidding. Yeah, it's coconut shell and coconut stick. Lynn, you are welcome to South Indian weddings too. It's similar, you know, it's maybe you're right, chickpeas. And we have been cooking a lot in clay pots in the past. Nowadays, you know, it's easy to make in aluminum and steel. This is iron. Martinas, welcome. Rajane, I asked Rajane, I know where are you from? Yes, hello. Putanda. We are going to make puttu with white rice. Puttu. We already saw puttu. And here is given. Thank you so much for sharing that link. We'll cook dum biryani. It's a special, typical biryani in our area. So you are welcome to join me in our. That's great. By the way, before we finish the tour, I just wanted to show you how we were washing clothes in the past. Still, we use this method. It's called alakid. Which means washing stone. it will be in a slope position. Then the dirty water will flow down quickly. And the cloth, she will beat the cloth on the rock. Finu is another cousin. Neil, I'm not sure if you can find it in Indian restaurant. Puttu. Puttu is, and patiri is more, just here in Malabar region. You can't find patiri in South Kerala. Yes, they prefer it. And if you are here in between, in the midday, 10, 11, like this, you will hear this voice from all the neighboring homes. It will be like a music. Tong, 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 like this. You will enjoy it. In past, almost all of them were using this system, this methods, and our women were healthy. As I told, we didn't have any gym for ladies in past. That's great to know, Rajani. 30 years ago, which means when I was 1 year old. So, thank you so much, Finu. Finu is, waiting for her post-graduation. She just completed graduation this year. And, yeah. I have too much work to do to get sick. What? So, thank you so much for joining me and supporting me. Please leave a review if you enjoyed the tour. We will finish this tour here now. And in 1 hour, we'll cook biryani.